Hi to everyone. So um, I hope that you will enjoy in next few minutes. This will be something like extended video demo. I actually decided it will be very nice to create the video tutorial than more better than to create some emails and explaining everything by the text. It's not the good way to show actually this demo. So I decided to create the YouTube video for you, especially for you, and to take a look on your questions, and I will be very gladly to answer to them. So basically, uh, what you ask, I will try to answer to all of them. Also, I will give you some advanced things how to actually work with the templates. Also, the first thing is about the 2012 version. Actually, we don't have the real version of 2013, unfortunately, and then some of the features are not in 2012, but in 2013, and we don't have 2013 the trial, uh, but we will have something about 1 month from now, and but Eddie told me that we will be very glad if you want 2013 version to try a new stuff. We will give you the license, 1 month actually license, evaluation license, so you can go inside there. So everything will be given to you for 1 month. So if you want that, just write to me or to Eddie email, and we will give you the 1 month license. So this is why you don't have actually this option. So I will show you what option, but first of all I want to show you on this part how you can do a template, a little bit more advanced thing, and let's start. So for beginning I will be a little bit okay. So I will change, okay, to this. It's fine. Okay, so here you don't have the external and internal. This is the new option in 2013. So basically the external will use the PRT or PRZ, and the internal for the one part you can have uh, a lot of different operations. So of course I will show you the external because I want to show you how to use more advanced uh, the um, the templates option. But for internal, these things also works perfectly. But I will just give me a few minutes. I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I will go to external. Okay, and I will do very quickly the compart definition. Okay, I'll just define some coordinate system here in the corner. It's fine. Okay. Then okay, I will create some stock from the box. I will leave all these to be the zero. I want to be relative to the model, this model. Okay, so you can see the target is already defined, so I will not go inside there. Just I will take save as, and that's it. Here you can see that this is the stock, okay, and this is the target. So I will create some of operation for these features. Okay, so I will go very quickly to the HSR, do a counter roughing for the target. I will use the tools that you already, I guess, have it. So I will just load it. So I will do import for all of these tools. Okay, I will choose end mill for this rough. Let's say 6 millimeters is fine. I will do constant boundaries. So basically, when you're creating operation, you need to select some geometry. When you create geometry, so let's say when I click to something on the model, it actually merge this geometry to that sketch and to this feature. So if you from some reason change the sketch or the feature, it will be automatically, if you want it actually, be synchronized and recalculated. But you cannot expect that you can create some operations, select some of the geometry, and then bring totally different model, some die molds or something, I don't know, and he will actually recognize this geometry. That is not possible by any software. So what we can done, I will show you in the next few minutes. So I will go auto constant Z, geometry is fine. I will go very quickly to the step down will be 1. Okay, Z top is very important, so because we want to be parametric. So if you change something regarding to this surface, the height of this model, everything will be updated. Okay, adaptive step down, I'll do none. Okay, I think we don't need anything to do. Okay, I just hit here too. Everything is, by default is fine. Okay, I will do a quick simulate just to see what is the result. So it's actually we are doing inside the boundary that we created. We actually want to cut the target, so he actually know where is the target, what is the main thing that he needs to cut. He don't have the air cuts, that is very important. It's done. Great. So let's create one more operation. Let's say for now HSM, which is basically the same like HSR, but HSR is for roughing. HSM is actually for just finishing these walls. So he will create the toolpath that actually follows the edge, the geometry that we selected, but he will take in account the target, so he will not pass through this island. So basically, okay, I will use the constant Z machining. The tool will be a little bit smaller, let's say 2 millimeters, so it's fine because we have here a little bit smaller diameter. Okay, contour is already selected, you can see. Let's do a step down with 0.5. Z top will be this surface for sure. Z bottom will be this surface. Perfect. Again, I will go to the simulate. I will run a little bit faster. So you can create basically every operation. I will show you in a few minutes how actually it takes effects for the for the for the templates. Okay, so let's create another operation. So let's say drill recognition. So we want actually to create spot drilling and 3.2 drilling for this hole, for example. So I'll choose the hole diameter filter. Let's say from this to this diameter. So everything between these two will be actually chosen. Okay, so find the holes. For sure there is just two tools with two shape. I just say okay. The tool will be, let's say for first operation, the spot drill, very important. The levels is let's say the depth is 0.5. The 0.5 is actually the depth of the spot drill. So I'll do for all of these group. So I will just set apply. Okay. Technology, I will leave everything the same. So you can see these two spot drill. So I don't want to create this drill recognition operation from the beginning. I will just hit here 7 copy. So we have here a little bit faster creating operation. So basically geometry is already selected. It's fine. The levels, it's not good. So let's say that we want to just I forgot about to let's say that 3.2 it's fine. Okay, technology levels. Let's edit the levels. Let's say for the drill depth we want 10 millimeters to go inside every hole. I will do apply. Okay, 7 calculate. Okay, so basically we have now few operations. Okay, so what we can do according to the template? For sure we can create new template, and I guess that you see the two tutorial that I show you by Sydney Eastner, very good tutorials about how to create the template, how to use it in another CAM parts, but I will show you a little bit more advanced for this. Let's say for example, yeah, you have also the question, can you do save as the toolpath? Yes, we actually can save as by total different name. So here it is, save as. Okay, so let's say something, some new name, new CAM part, new CAM part. So this will be completely new CAM part, and he will be loaded. So this CAM part that we create the operation, it's already saved. Okay, but we create another one. So you can see here new CAM part. So this is this is completely new SolidCAM CAM part, and it's already stock is done, target is done, all operations. But let's say for some reason we want to change some on model. Let's let's change the height of this. Let's say 25 millimeters. Okay, rebuild it. You can see now it's changed. Let's take a look on this pocket. Okay, let's change this on 4 millimeters, this to 5 millimeters. Okay, let's go inside the sketch. Let's delete this edge. Let's create, for example, some spline. Okay, let's delete this also. Let's create some triangle sharp edge. This is completely new pocket. Okay, so of course there we cannot do for the fillet, but you can edit it because he have the missing reference here. So it's fine, just delete this, change. Okay, for this as well we have here sharp corners, it's fine. For sure we cannot cut this sharp edge, so I'll just quick add a fillet for, let's say, 4 millimeter, will be fine. Okay, totally new fillet. Okay, let's change this hole also, let's say 40 millimeters. Okay, rebuild it. Great. Let's on this surface let's create new sketch. For example, I will create its random place. It's not very necessary to do this, but let's make it equal just to give the point, and let's 3.2, same like this one. Okay, so basically now we have 3 more drills, so just I need to cut, I will do extrude 10 millimeters, it's fine. Okay, I will do 20, it's not very necessary. Okay, so we have uh, 3 more hole. So okay, so this is almost complete new part. Well, we can change even the size, but we cannot delete this feature. We cannot delete the sketch. If we delete the sketch, that will be cause that the geometry that we created it's actually deleted. So you can change everything inside the CAM part, but you cannot delete, let's say, this sketch. You can delete the edge, you can add it, you can change it, but you cannot delete it because it is merged. This is the integration. Okay, so let's do save as. So let's save this model to completely new. So save as new name, and let's save it and name it as new model completely. Save. Also I will do save for this part that we change it. Go back, and you can see now updated CAM, it's changed. Okay, so just what you need to do, because SolidCAM will not synchronize this if you don't want it. So what you need just to check for synchronization, and you can see that the stock is changed. For sure it's changed because we changed the height. The target is changed. Yeah, whole target is changed. Also the operation is changed. Just right click, synchronize, and this is the integration. We are synchronizing the model with the CAM part. So what you need to do, just calculate all, and you don't need to do anything. This is completely change the whole thing. So just what you need to do, let's say, so verify. I will run very quickly, so you can see everything is changed. It's updated. Let's say this is the HSM operation. For sure we have some here issues because we changed the part, but this is not a very big problem. Okay, so here is the spot drill, not just for these 2 holes, but for these 3 that we created. So I will reduce the simulation speed. Okay, so here is some I need to update the operation. It's not complicated, just go to the level, drill depth, it's 0.5, just click to all, apply, and that's it. I'll do simulation just for these 2, and you can see that now holes have the spot, and 3.2 millimeter diameter drill is actually penetrated 10 millimeters inside. Great. So for completely new part, completely updated stock, we have actually the template. But okay, if this is not enough, then let's take a look in something new. Here on right click on the CAM part, you have the CAM part properties, where you can see, okay, the directory, the name actually of the CAM part, so it's new CAM part. The model name is actually your model, so the reference model is your model. I change it. Okay, so I will cancel it, and let's change the reference model. Maybe you remember that we actually do a save as. So let's change the model reference. Here it is. Just change model reference and browse for it. You see here, new model, completely new model. it can be anything, not anything, but you need to have the sketch, the feature that actually have the same number that actually SolidCAM can recognize them, you know. And do okay, do you want to replace model? Yes, for sure. Now CAM part actually remain the same, but we change the reference model. You see, now we have totally, this is new part. What do we need to update this? Calculate, yes. One more thing about this calculation. Let's say that you have here 100 operations. So uh, it will took a long time to calculate. But from 2013 version of SolidCAM, we are actually supporting the multi-core calculation. Just what you need to do, just select the group of operation, do a calculate, and you will see in the task manager, my computer has just 4 cores. So if you go to the calculate, yes, you will see that every core is actually working for calculating. That is very important. You can see how fast it was. Okay, so just I will do a simulate and everything is the same. That's it. I hope that you enjoy. I think that this was the answer to your question. Um, if you have any additional questions, I will be very gladly to answer to them. So you can actually type to me, or maybe it's better to type to Tony, so he will maybe more explain to me what are your needs, and I will be very glad to update you. So regarding to this 2012 version, if you want 2013 and the license, just type to me or to Eddie or to both of us, CC to us, and we will send you the license. So have a nice day. I hope that you enjoy, and talk to you later. Bye. Faster.